Okay, here we go with episode 2 of a cracked head cover. Working on this motor for Ross. It's a Store 169, a 5 horsepower TN27 Johnson. In episode 1, we showed the head cover had a crack. Actually, it's got a whole piece torn out of it on the bottom here. The water was pouring out, so we're going to try to get that head cover off today. I got my impact tool with a 3/8 socket on it, and we're going to try to pull all these bolts off and see if we can get a replacement part for this. So I'm going to set the camera up, and hopefully we won't break any bolts. If we do, bad news. So I'm going to set the camera up, see if we can get them off. Everybody's ready. Here we go. Okay, I'm set up here with my impact tool and my nice little wrench here. This is a pretty unique tool. We can some Milwaukee pivoting wrench tool. I'm going to try to pull these out one at a time. Wish me luck. Well, the first one didn't come out. Second one's not coming out. None of them are coming out. I'm gonna go get me the big boy. Get me a bigger impact tool. I ain't giving up on it. It's a 7/16 socket, and I don't have a half-inch drive 7/16 for my half-inch impact tool, so I'm gonna try with a half-inch wrench. See if they'll come off. I'm afraid to break those bolts. Really need the impact, so I got to get me a half-inch drive 7/16 socket. I'll find me one. Hang in. All right, I got the big boy here, half-inch drive with a 7/16 socket. Let's see if we can get them off. Wish me luck. Here we go. Well, first one I do broke off. First bolt I took out broke off. Let's see how many of them will break off now. That's two. That's two that broke off. This one came out. This one broke off right at the head. This one came out. This one came out. This one broke off at the head. This one broke off about halfway through. This one broke off about halfway through. And this one came out. So 50-50. 4 out of 8 broke. Well, the ones that broke right flush probably won't be able to get this head cover off at all. So I'm gonna try to get the head cover off, but the ones that broke halfway in, I'd have to try to use an extractable to get them out. Ain't gonna work. So looks like I'll have to get a new power head for this one. So that's the end of episode 2. Cracked power head, cracked head cylinder cover. Did not come off. Have to get with Ross and see if what he wants to do. Looks like we need a new power head, a used power head, which I probably can find. All right, that's the end of this one. It don't always work out. See y'all next video. Hey, you want to win a free prize? That's right, Team Mike's giving away free prizes. All you got to do is go to Team Mike's website, teammikevintageoutboards.com. The link is below, and find the link for Team Mike's trivia quiz. There'll be a trivia quiz question on there, all about vintage outboard motors. Just answer the question and click submit, and at the end of the month, put your name in the hat, make a drawing. Whoever's got the first correct answer wins a prize for that month. All right. On the form, also, when you get there, at the bottom, it's got a section for a message. It says, talk about your vintage outboard motor or your experience with Team Mike. So if you want to put some personal details down there, I might read a few of them out during the live stream. So win your monthly free prize, no cost. Just go to Team Mike's website, teammikesvintageoutboard.com, click on Team Mike's trivia quiz, and answer the question. Here we go. Hope you enjoyed the video. I know I enjoyed making it. If you did, hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button and catch all my videos. You know, my passion are these vintage outboard motors. Johnson and Evinrude, 1950s, 60s, and 70s, 3 horsepower to 18 horsepower. I think I have all the videos, over 500 videos, on everything you need to know to repair, service, and restore your vintage outboard motors. I have all the parts, all the videos, and all the parts manuals for you to do that. I love what I do. The best way to reach me is on my website, teammikesvintageoutboards.com. You go to that website, I have links for everything you need. I have links for all the parts you need. If you don't know the parts you need, there's a link called the Parts Broker where you can fill out the form and submit it to me, and I'll find your part for you. Alright? I also have a link for a mail-in repair service where you can ship me your carburetor, your gear case, or your magneto. I'll repair it, video it, put it on YouTube, and ship it back to you. I also have a link for technical consulting. If you have a question, just fill out the link. There's a donation page if you want to help pay Team Mike, and I'll answer your question and get back to you. That's the best way to reach me, is on my website, teammikesvintageoutboards.com. I love what I do. It's been a great ride, and remember, always remember, and never forget, here at Team Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time.